If you're not tracking every single lead, you're not running a business. You're playing blackjack. Most HVAC owners think their sales are slow, but they don't track anything. So they don't even know how many estimates they gave out last week. You can't fix what you don't track. Track every call, every lead, every close. Once you've collected enough data, you start to see patterns and you can fix those patterns. And if you have low conversions, then it's probably a bad tech or a bad offer that you're running. It's all in the numbers, so just remember that.